This is Manidweep. Now we are discussing about a website about Sports Scheduler, which connects with players with the organization's sports sessions. Now the players will be interact with the organizers who conducts sports sessions through easily through this website. The here mainly you can see the code here, which is server.js. In this server.js file, you can see the first one, which is const express equal to require express. Here, express, which is the framework to create APIs and handle HTTP requests. Here, mainly, we are here the server.js file is about our sports scheduler backend one. Uh, Here we connects the database, handles routes and runs the server. The first one will be here up to this, which is for importing required modules. Uh, Next, Express is for HTTP request handling and creating APIs, and course, which is for allows your front end like React. Here we use it React. Next comes to .env, which loads environmental variables from a environment file. Next comes to sequelize, which connects database using object relational mapping. Next comes to then we import our root files and all, like authentication one, sports one, sessions report and all. Which each file handles specific API endpoints. Next comes to uh, app setup and configuration. Here you can see app express process.environment.port to 5000. Here app is our express application. The server runs on a port number either from .env or 5000, default 5000. Next comes to the middleware. Here the core setup is done, which allows front end to make requests. Next comes to the step 4, which is request logging middleware, which is for this app dot use and all, which is for debugging and tracking activity, and it is also logs every incoming request with a timestamp. Next comes to the defining the routes. Here the routes we are used here in top are again uh, starts with authentication. Use the routes defined in auth routes. Here routes. Uh, Next comes to health check route. This one, and next comes to which is for step which is for error handling. Route not found. This return say if there any error, then will be the return message will be route not found. Next comes to error handler. This catches unexpected errors that occur anywhere in the app. It prevents from the crashes and sends an proper JSON error response. Next comes to step which is for database connection and server task. Server start. Here the await sequelize authenticate, which will test us if the database credentials are valid or not. Next, here sync create table if they don't exist. Then the server will be started here. At last, we are exporting the app. This allows the app to be imported elsewhere. Now, here we comes to the our website, which is sports scheduler. Connect with players and organize sports sessions. Now I already your sign up page will be for two different users. One is for a player and another is for administrator. I already created a few accounts, so I will use one of it. Uh, player@gmail.com. Email will be, password will be, this a normal pop-up. Here, the player dashboard will have here three buttons, which is one is available sessions, my sessions, joined sessions, and here the player can create a session also. Now the I previously created a basketball session here randomly, and also I joined a session which is available uh, by other organizers. So we can create a session here by clicking create session. Oh, we can get the pop like this. You have to select a sport which is available here. If you want to add, if there is no other sport, then reach admin, and the admin will have the permission to create a new sport if they want to conduct it. Here we comes to like create football. When you will be stadium, date will be around 13th, time will be 17:45. Players will be 10. Extra players will be a 3 to 4. Okay, 3. Then we have to click the button create session. Here, the session is created. Here we have created a basketball session and a football session. The details will be the location, the time, date, and all. How many players per team and all. Here we have already joined a team. Uh, Inter-branch match, which is for inter-branch match. If you leave this session, then you can see here. If you join this session, automatically it comes to the joined sessions. This comes under these all are comes under player dashboard. Next, we have to go to the administrator dashboard. Sign out administrator dashboard password 8. Okay. Same pop-up. Here the administrator can analysis the reports and all of the data of that players played in their matches and all. Here the administrator has the capability, the permission to create a new sport. Here you can type anything, something like throw ball, throw ball, and description will be like uh, tournament, add sport. Here you can see the sport. Now I am created throw ball tournament. You can sign out. You can check it on that player profile. You can see two, Create session, select a sport. Here you can see I am in previous I have created the sport throw ball. Now you can see you by default the players will be given here throw ball and all. You can select anything anytime which time you needed. Create session. Session is created here. So administrator has the permission to create sport and uh, view the report details and data of the players. Here the players have the capability to create the sessions and use and join the sessions and all. That's it. Thank you.